Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing banking issues here in the Kingdom of Thailand and sort of tax. And I'm just going to talk kind of generally on both topics because these are things that we've gotten a lot of inquiries, a lot of feedback on. We've had a lot of communications regarding, hey, can you help with setup with bank account? As we've discussed in other videos, yes, we definitely assist folks with bank accounts. Go ahead and send us an email, info@legal.co.th, if you want information about how we can help you get set up with a bank account here. Now, what we're talking about in this video, though, specifically is, yes, there have been major announcements regarding tax, specifically how taxes are going to be attributed, how tax liability is going to be assessed here in Thailand moving forward. As we've discussed in other videos, there will be some major changes occurring January 1 of 2024 with regard to tax. And a question that I've had posed at me is, how would this impact banking? Well, what I suspect is, as we've discussed in other videos, I think we're going to see a situation wherein those who want to renew their non-immigrant visas on a long-term basis here in Thailand, for example, folks that hold, for example, like retirement visas, those kind of folks may need to go ahead and file tax returns, Thai tax returns, with their visa application for extension. I think it may happen after 2025, where they may actually start saying, we want to see tax documentation. Part and parcel of that is the disclosure, most likely, in that documentation pertaining to one's banking and one's banking transactions here in Thailand, either offshore if the money comes into Thailand, or in Thailand if one is, undertaking banking transactions here in Thailand. That may be part of possible future application for sort of visas. And also, it's just sort of a general issue that one has to undertake. So for example, in a retirement context, generally speaking, interest may not be an issue on funds that are in a bank account. But for example, folks who have bank accounts here in Thailand and maintain things like marriage visas, depending on the circumstances, they may have interest accruing on a Thai bank account. So again, that may have an impact on how one files their tax return. So let me kind of distill this down. Moving forward, after 2024, I think taxes are going to become a much more common theme both in immigration and in just matters of being an expat here in Thailand. In the past, tax was not an overarching theme of just, if you're just kind of living in Thailand, not really working here, wasn't something you needed to worry about. Moving forward, out past 2024, going into 2025, I suspect that will change. And it will have implications for those who maintain bank accounts here in the Kingdom of Thailand.